Hi guys, today we're going to be exploring multiples of numbers. Your learning intentions are to know what multiples of numbers are and find the multiples of a number. Your success criteria is that you can describe what multiples of a number are and find multiples of a number. So let's start by having a look at it. Alright, so multiples of a number. A multiple of a number is a product of that number and an integer. Now there's some big words there. Product. Product just means what the number is when it's times together. Integer is just another word for a number. So what we're saying is that multiples of a number is what a number equals when it's times by another number. Let's have a look at the example here. So for example, the first positive multiples, because multiples go both negative and positive, for 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. Let's have a look at the example. So 1 times 5. So if you've got one flower with 5 petals, that's 5. So 1 times 5. So the first multiple of 5 is 5. The second multiple of 5, 2 flowers with 5 petals each, is 10. So 5, 10. Next multiple of 5 is 3 times 5. So 3 times 5 equals 15. 4 times 5, 20. 5 times 5, 25. So a multiple is kind of just like our times tables. Our times tables are multiples of our numbers. So our 7 times tables are our multiples of 7. Our 8s are multiples of 8s. 9s and 10s are multiples of 9 and multiples of 10. So if you needed to find all the multiples of 10, you would go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, continue and continue. Let's have a look at an example. So let's have a look at what the multiples of 7 are. Now there's lots of different ways to do this. As you can see on the right here, we've got our multiples of 7 in a times table chart. So it's 1 times 7 is 7, so it's 7 is the first multiple. Then 14 is the second one, because 2 times 7 is 14, we all know that. 3 times 7 is 21, then 28, 35, 42, 49, 56. These are all the multiples. But another way to do it is if you've got a hundreds chart. So if you have a look at our hundreds chart on the left-hand side, we can see that we've coloured in the first multiple of 7, so that's 7. Then we can count 7 on from there. So we can count from our 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's 14. Then we can count another 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We can count up to 21, which gives us 7. Then from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which brings us to 28. And you can continue to get the multiples all the way up to 100 using a hundreds chart. So remembering, a multiple is just the numbers that times together using that number. So all the multiples of 7 are 1 times 7, 2 times 7, 3 times 7, 4 times 7, 5 times 7, 6 times 7. They're all the multiples of our numbers. Now, what I want you to do, on your seesaw, I want you to find all the multiples of 7, all the multiples of 6, and all the multiples of 9. I want you to write those down. You can write them down on Seesaw or in your book and upload them for your teacher to see. Make sure that you double check them with your times tables charts. Alright, girls and boys, today our learning intention was to know what multiples of a number are and find the multiples of a number. Your success criteria is that you can describe what multiples of a number are and find the multiples of a number. Now, once you've uploaded that, I'm sure you'll all reach your success criteria. Have a great day. Bye for now.